Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. For my returning subscribers, hey fam, how's it going? I hope all is well with you guys. So this is another Amazon wig review video. So I am reviewing the wig that I'm currently wearing, this lovely bob wig. So this is a 13x4 lace front wig, which is 12 inches long. It is 100% human hair, and it has HD lace, and you can wear this wig glueless if you like. I tend to glue my wigs down for the most part, except sometimes I do like to wear it glueless, especially if I plan on just pulling it off my head at the end of the day, because honestly, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I don't like sleeping in my wigs. I like being able to just take it off at the end of the day and just go about my business. So you can wear it glueless if you would like. It does come pre-plucked, which is always a perk because that's one less thing that you have to do. On Amazon, it is for about $69. With taxes, it's probably be like $73 and change. If you do have Amazon Prime, this comes with Prime shipping, so yay for that. As always, we love Amazon Prime. We love Prime shipping. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I am a huge Amazon junkie, so I'm always trying to find things on Amazon. Especially, you sometimes can find things for cheaper on Amazon, so I definitely stand by Amazon. But yes, so like this wig, it's really nice. I love the texture of it. It's not it's not too rough. It's very soft, but like it also kind of giving me like a little bit of like kinky vibes, which I don't mind. I didn't flat iron or straighten or anything, so this is it, like literally out the package. All I did was cut the lace and glue it down, so it comes already looking ready to go, so that's also a plus. As always, I will have all the details and the link in my description box, so feel free to check out this wig if you are interested. Also, I'll have the link to my Amazon storefront where I do post all the Amazon wigs that I have reviewed on my channel. So if you are interested in seeing other wigs that I would recommend purchasing, definitely check out my Amazon store. I do have to tell you guys, I do receive a commission if you were to use any of my links, because they are an affiliated link. So I get a small commission if you were to purchase anything from my Amazon storefront, including this wig. But as always, it's up to you guys. I'm not forcing anyone, but this is just my honest review of the wig. So as always, I am going to turn around so you guys can see the back. My only issue, I would say, with this wig is, for whatever reason, there's like pieces of hair like at the very top, like by the closure, that's kind of like sticking up, that's not really laying flat, especially back here. I don't really like that. I just think I need to use like my curling iron to really like press it down and to like flatten it out. Also, I will not lie, my braids underneath this wig is not the neatest. When I did braid down my hair to put the wig on, I did them kind of big, which is making the hair look a little bit bumpy and not as flat. But that's because I was rushing, and honestly, I personally hate braiding my hair, so I tend to do them bigger than I should. But I'll probably re-braid my hair before really going out with this wig on, just so it is laying a lot flatter like it should. If it was a curly wig, it wouldn't be as noticeable, but because this wig is straight and is flat, the fact that my hair underneath is kind of bumpy is giving the wig a bumpy and lumpy look, which isn't cute. So make sure when you're braiding your hair to put on a wig, you're doing it nice and small and flat. Don't be like me. But I am going to turn around so you guys can see the back of the wig. And as always, you guys know I like to give wigs a rating if I remember to. But for this wig, I would say I would give this wig about a 4. It's not a 5 for me personally, just because, like I said, up here, that's like bothering me. Also, the color isn't a color that I personally love. You guys know I'm a girl who likes brown hair or even highlights. I love a good highlighted wig, but this is black. This is like not jet black, this is 1B, so it's natural black, so it's not as bad. I can deal with that, and I don't hate it as much. But I prefer brown hair to black hair any day of the week. I am potentially going to get braids soon, so if I do get braids, I'll definitely make sure to show you guys what those look like. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just a quick little review for the wig. As always, feel free to leave me a comment with any questions or concerns you might have about the wig if you're interested in purchasing it. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like this video or this kind of video. If you want me to do more wig reviews, let me know. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Join the fam. We do things all beauty related, so hair and makeup, and even some fashion is thrown in. So make sure you hit that subscribe so you never miss another time that I do post. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Got me feeling I'm the fool.